class. This is for 7th grade. And today we're gonna continue our topic on perimeters and area of composite planes figures. Can everyone hear me? If you can hear me, please type 1 on the group chat. All right, now I'm gonna share the screen. So we're gonna do a quick review on where we left off from last lesson.
And hey, there's this iPad too, and then there's my computer.
So for the figure from the screen here, for the if we want to figure out the perimeter for square, the formula we have for the square is 4x, where x is the length of a side. If we want to find the area, is area equal to the power to the 2. And for the rectangle, if we want to figure out the perimeter, then this is the length plus the length, and then times 2. And then the area will be length times W, okay, for the side. And if we want to figure out the perimeter for the triangle, it will be A plus B plus C. So those will be the size for this triangle. And if we want to figure out the area for the triangle, will be half times the base times the height, okay? And that this height is perpendicular to the base. And the circle, the formula to find the circumferences for this circle, then it would be the diameter. The line goes through the center point. This is called the diameter. So it will be pi times the length of this diameter, or 2 pi radius. The radius is the half, let me make the mark here. The radius is the half of the diameter. And then if we want to figure out the area, it will be pi times radius to the power of 2, okay? And then the other day, we talked about the trapezoid. This will be the sum of the parallel side times the height, and then it will be the half of it divided by 2. We can figure out the area for the trapezoid. And today we're going to continue for our example question. Okay, so let me switch to the screen, share you a different screen for today's okay. So this will be today's topic for our practice. We are going to figure out this figure, billboard figure. And Dixon, can you read the question for us? Can you see the share screen? All right, can everyone see the share screen? If you can see it, please type 1 on the group chat. Okay. Okay, let me share the screen one more time. Okay, can you see the share screen right now? If you cannot see it, just type 0. Okay, good. Now, can I have Lily? You read the question for us?
Nice. Mute yourself. Yeah. The figure represents the billboard in which AD equals 8 feet, BC equals 6 feet, ME equals 4 feet, and EN equals 3 feet. Find the area of the billboard.
Excellent. Thank you so much. All right, so we're gonna solve the question together. We see this A, B, C, D. This is the trapezoid shape. So we're gonna, first of all, we're gonna use the area of the trapezoid shape and then take away the area of the triangle shape. In that way, we can figure out the area of this billboard. So we have 2 steps. First step, we need to figure out the area of the trapezoid shape. So for the area of the trapezoid is the top, which is the BC, the length from BC, plus the bottom, AD. So it would be 6 plus 8, and then times the height. The height will be from ME, which is 4, plus MN, which is 3. So the height will be equal to 7. So this is 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8. This is the top and bottom. And then plus the times the height, which is the 7. So that we can figure out, in this way, we can figure out the area of the trapezoid. And then divided by 2, this is the formula. Now we want to plug in the figure for the area of triangle. So the area of triangle is we can figure out is from this part, the base, from the DE times the height, which is the EN. So the base times height divided by 2. So this is 8 times 3, and then divided by 2. We want to take away this part. So we can figure out this is 49, take away 12, and then equal to 37 feet square, okay? For the, I keep on remind everyone, when you do the calculation for area of any figures, you need to include the unit to the power of 2. This is 37 feet to the power of 2. So this will be the unit for the area of this billboard, okay? If you have no question, please give me 0 on the group chat. Okay, so
She took away 12, Sam.
all right, so that's let me explain how do I get 49 from here. Okay, from this picture, we see we want to figure out the area of a trapezoid. So the area of the trapezoid is the top, the CB, the top plus the bottom, which is, hold on a second, I can't see my screen right now. Okay, so it's the top BC, 6 plus the bottom AD, 6 plus 8. Okay, everyone, can you type me on a group chat? What is 6 plus 8 on this group chat? Great. So we have 14 over here. Okay, top plus the bottom. And then times the height. 4 plus 3. This is the height for the trapezoid. So the height will be 7. So 14 times 7 is 98. Okay, and then we have 98 divided by 2, which is 49. So this is how we get this answer over here for the area of trapezoid ABCD. Okay, and the area for triangle ADE will be the bottom, the base times height divided by 2. So 8 times 3, which is 24, and then divided by 2 will be 12. So the area for the triangle will be 12.